All right, good afternoon. We're on lesson 91, um, simplifying improper fractions. There you go. So your objective for today is to simplify improper fractions and mixed numbers. Here's your math joke. The student says to the teacher, "What's infinity?" And the math teacher says, "Think of a number." And the student says, "Okay, I got one." The teacher says, "Good, that's not it." Okay, here's your new concept. Um, when we add two fractions together, like 3/4 plus 3/4, we get 6/4, right? However, this is an improper way to show that, and so what you're going to need to do is you need to simplify this, okay? And what we do is, remember I told you before that six, the line in the fraction is kind of like the division sign, all right? 6 divided by 4, and so that's exactly what you're going to do. Is you're going to do 6 divided by 4, and what you have is 4 goes into 6 one time, and you have a remainder of 2 left over. And so with the remainder, remember when we make remainders out of a fraction, you put the remainder as the numerator and your divisor as your denominator. Okay, so you have 1 and 2/4. That's what you end up having, and this is what it looks like. When you put all these pieces together, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, I'm sorry, this is cut wrong. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces left over, right? And so if you put them in the pie pieces, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, 6. And so you have basically one whole pizza and 2/4 left over. Now, what you want to do is you want to simplify the 2/4 and reduce the fraction so it equals 1/2. You divide by both sides by 2. Oops. All right. Here's your example number 1. We're going to write 8/6 as a mixed number in its lowest term. Um, so basically, you do like what I just showed you. You're going to do 8 divided by 6, okay? And you get 1 and 2/6. So after you get that, you need to reduce 2/6 to its lowest term using the greatest common factor, which is 2. And so 2 divided by 2 is 1, that's what is over here. And then 6 divided by 2 is 3. And so our answer is 1 and 1/3. For example number 2, it says the dictionary is 1 and 7/8 inch thick, and the thesaurus is 1 and 3/8 inch thick. If the two books are side by side, how thick are they together? And so what you're going to do is you're going to add this side plus this side, and it's down here. So you have 2 and 10/8. Okay, so what you need to do is convert um, your 10/8 into a proper fraction with a whole number, and that is you add the whole number to the 2, and what you have is 3 and 2/8. So when you do 8 divided by 10, it goes 1 and 2/8 is your answer, and so that's what you have here. And then what you want to do after that is reduce this 2/8 here, and you divide the top and the bottom by 2, and what you have after that is 3 and 1/4. Okay, so that's your lesson for today. If you have any questions, write those questions on the back. Simplify these mixed fractions from A through H, and then I through K, you're going to add them. And then for letter L, you need to find the perimeter if each side was only 5/8 long. Okay, make sure you show your work when you do that. There's no vocab for today, so in your vocab, I want you to draw your best Easter egg. All right, thank you guys, and I'll see you guys in the morning.